Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got free cars right here. So yeah, they're pretty nice. So we're gonna open them today and review them. So first we got the 2006 Audi R8 Germany version. This is the Germany set. So I found this in Walmart. Thought it was pretty cool. They also had another car, but I didn't buy it. It's pretty nice casting. I really like it. Next, we got the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project S, and also this is a premium car. You can see on the back, these are all the cars you can collect. Really want to get the Porsche, and I want to really get this one, probably the Corvette, the Porsche, and the Pagani. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Next, we got this 2019 Ford GT Mustang Coupe. So yeah, here's the Ford GT. Pretty nice. Really like it. But yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, let's open it now. It's always got this little thing here. I don't know. But yeah, we are going to open it. Whoa. Here. Okay, we got this here. What? What the? Look at that. What is that? Look. It's like a cover. That is cool. It's like a little cover for the car. Shoot, that is cool. Like, it's like you can hold the car in place or something. Okay, I might keep that. But yeah, also this is a pretty nice casting. I really like it. It looks super nice with the blue color. And I'm surprised they also had this here, which where we can also put in the car. It's a pretty nice car. I really like the tires. I like the mold of the body. But it's a pretty good car, you know, for Matchbox. I know Matchbox makes some pretty good cars, but it's pretty nice. I like it. Not bad. But yeah. Next, we are going to open the 2006 Audi R8, the Germany set. So we are going to open this right now. This gives me so much frustration. It's like, you gotta... Oh, now we got it. Oh! I think I might know why there's a plastic cover, because for all the newer Matchbox, they have like a cover. I just hurt my teeth. Oh, look at that! It's like another cover. Oh, I think the newer like Matchbox have these. That is cool. Alright, sheesh. It's a nice Audi R8. So yeah, here is the Audi R8. Looking pretty slick. I don't think this one will be good. It's already bent. But yeah, here it is. Pretty beautiful car. I didn't even know that it was a 2006 version, because when I bought it, I thought it was like a newer version, but it's actually a 2006 version, which is pretty okay. It's nice. Let's look at the car now. But I really like design here. It looks kind of different. It's like, it looks newer, but it has a little bit of the old design because the back is a little bit bigger, the front skinnier. But I really like the color on the car. It really matches it, and also the tires, pretty nice. And yeah. It's also got the engine in the back, which I'm really digging. But yeah, pretty good. So yeah, let's go next car. Next car is 2016 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Or, yeah, okay. Pop this premium car open. So here it is. It looks pretty beautiful off the bat. Really like the color for this one. So I do know that I have it. Like, feel like I have it right there. So yeah, this is pretty cool premium car. I really like it. It's not bad. Like, I actually like it. Look at that. Love the new color for it. It's just like way better than the old color. This is like a premium version, so it's different. But yeah. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be end of video. Hope you liked it, and I'm sorry for not posting. I've been having a little problems. I think you might know. Yeah. But I've been having a little problems lately, but I am okay and I'm good. So, yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, and also it's in the link in the description. But yeah, hope you have a good day. Bye bye.